Good morning, welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. Still mostly cloudy to cloudy skies out there this morning. Not seeing any showers quite yet, but still moving into the area. Some of them are breaking apart, but still keeping a good chance of seeing some of those move through as we get into the afternoon hours. The Storm Prediction Center does still have us under a slight risk for severe weather, so we'll keep an eye out for any of those storms becoming a bit stronger with some stronger wind gusts. Otherwise, we take a look at the current surface analysis. We do have this kind of area of low pressure from this widespread developed storms to our west. That is pushing through the area. We've seen the winds shift out of the east-northeast as we've gone through the morning, as that center of the circulation has moved slightly to our south. Otherwise, we'll see this showerly activity start to move into the area with some showers just to our north and south at the moment. Looking at the upper level winds from this morning's balloon sounding, we have light westerly winds and then shifting to north winds at 3,000 feet and then becoming westerly up through the column, peaking at around 20 to 25,000 feet at 37 to 35 knots. Freezing levels at 14,300 feet. Looking at the local radar, we can see some of those heavier showers and thunderstorms just to the north, going across the northern part of the peninsula, and a little bit of activity to our south-southwest. And still plenty of remnants out to the west that we could see reorganize and move into the area as we go into the afternoon. Otherwise, if we zoom out and look at the visible satellite and composite radar, we can see all that showerly activity. Have seen some of it fall apart and then redevelop, so we'll be keeping an eye on that, but still expecting a good chance of seeing some showers and thunderstorms in the area this afternoon. Maybe not as widespread as initially thought, but still bringing us a chance for some lightning as we go throughout the day today. Looking at the short-term high-resolution model, again, as we push throughout the day today, we continue to be cloudy. We'll see some of those showers and storms push through the area. Again, not as widespread, but still we'll see a good chance of seeing something in the area. And as we get into the evening hours, we'll see most of that push off the coast as we get towards the 8 p.m. local time. And afterwards, we'll see some of the clouds start to break up, becoming partly cloudy to start the day on Wednesday. And we should have a dry day for our day on Wednesday. Another little disturbance off to the west, moving south, but expecting that to stay west of our area. May bring us a few extra clouds, but otherwise dry as we go throughout Wednesday. And then as we go into Wednesday evening, partly cloudy, again another dry evening. And then as we move into Thursday, this model indicating a little bit of precip in the area, but at the moment that looks to be a slight to very slight chance as we move throughout the day Thursday. Next greater chance of seeing some precipitation will be as we go into the overnight hours Thursday evening and into Friday, as we'll have a little boundary push through overnight Thursday, putting us in kind of a warm wedge, which will allow things to warm up pretty nicely for Friday, becoming rather hot for our Friday, but also bringing us a chance of seeing some showers and thunderstorms throughout the day. And another cool boundary will move through later in the day on Friday, continuing that chance of some showers and thunderstorms. But after that, we'll be setting up for a nice weekend with some cooler temperatures, things becoming a bit more seasonable and otherwise dry as we go throughout the weekend and into the beginning of next week. So if we take a look at the 24-hour weather risk chart, we do have those risks starting this morning and continuing up to about 8 p.m. local time. Slight or just a chance of rain as we move throughout the day. Greater chance as we move after the noon hour. So we do have the orange for precip, lightning, and reduced ceilings visibilities as we get after the noon hour. Do have the yellow chance of seeing a wind advisory. If we do see one of those stronger storms come through, it's a good chance it could pack some stronger wind gusts. So we'll be keeping an eye out for any of those that develop and push through. Otherwise, we see things start to calm down as we get after the 8 p.m. hour, and we'll also see those clouds start to break. Saw a peak Temperature this morning around 85, but now things have cooled back down to around 81, and we should see a continued cooling trend with that onshore breeze and also some of that rain-cooled air as we get some of those showers in the area. Expecting things to cool down to the mid-60s overnight, around low expected around 65, and then as we get into tomorrow, expecting the onshore flow to continue, partly cloudy day, high of 82. And as we get into Wednesday evening, another partly cloudy evening with a low of 67. Thursday, we'll see some clouds start to pick up again ahead of that next system, and will become mostly cloudy. It'll be slightly breezy in the afternoon. We'll see the winds pick up a bit, but not expecting a wind advisory at this time. Very slight chance of a late afternoon or evening shower, but otherwise the greater chance will come in the overnight hours Thursday evening, with a high of 81 for our Thursday. If we look at the extended forecast as we go into Thursday evening and into Friday, again, we'll see that there's a couple boundaries move through the area. We'll see things warm up quite a bit. Could see 90 degrees for a high Friday, with some chances of showers and thunderstorms throughout the area. And as we get into Friday evening and into Saturday, we'll see things cool down to about 67 degrees, and things set up for a nice weekend with dry conditions and partly cloudy. Slightly breezy day for Saturday with a high of 80. We'll get down to upper 50s Saturday evening, and Sunday a cool 77 with partly cloudy skies. As we go into the beginning of the next work week, we'll see a low of 60, and for our Monday, we'll see some clouds increasing, becoming mostly cloudy with a high of 79. That will wrap up the 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We'll be back again tomorrow at 8:15 and 10 a.m. Otherwise, enjoy the rest of your day.